Tuck your back knee, tuck your back toes, lifting the back knee, stepping it back to plank. Inhale as we exhale, vinyasa. Moving through the movements with our breath as we come to meet in downward facing dog. Taking a full round of breath in our downward dog. And then as we next inhale, left leg reaches all the way up. Exhale, left knee comes to center. Bring it to the right elbow, then the left elbow, and then send it all the way back, three-legged dog. Exhaling once again, left knee comes to center, right elbow, left elbow. Then this time you can extend the right foot towards the left side of the mat as we shift the weight to the right hand, lifting up, fallen star. You want to engage your core and go for a challenge, see if you can lift that right leg. Taking a full round of breath. And then exhaling, right knee comes back to center, left hand comes back to the mat, three-legged dog. Inhale,